click on the Video tab. Here, select the different types of videos, such as mobile videos and etc. In the editor, click on Elements and in the search bar type Video. Here you'll find options including graphics, frames, photos, and videos. Click on See All next to the Video section to browse all. Select any video from the list. You can resize the video by dragging its corners. Next, go to the Text tab to add text to your video and type in any text you want. Click on the A icon to select a color for your text. Choose any color. You can change the size of the text by clicking on the plus icon. You can also change the font style. Adjust the position of the text in your video by dragging it to the desired location. Return to the Elements tab to explore additional options like brands, uploads, and draw. You can add any elements you want to enhance your video. Play the video to check how it looks and make adjustments. In a new tab in Canva, go to HR in Internal Communications. Play the video in this new tab to check its quality and content. When you are satisfied with your video, click on Share at the top right. Scroll down, click on Download. Select the file type you want, such as an MP4. Finally, click on Download and your video will be prepared and saved to your device. Make sure to check the link in the description down below to access Canva. And if this tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.